Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. Today let's finish up the whole of exercise 10D in this video and the link of the previous video of exercise 10D where we had done the first few questions from exercise 10D. I will attach in the description of this video, and somewhere on the top of this video also you can find the link for that previous video of exercise 10D. And then let's move on and do some different questions of ratio and proportion which are not there in RS Aggarwal. So if you want to learn along with me different kinds of questions and also questions from Olympiad, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start.
Let's start with question number 13. Question number 13 says, if 24 workers can build a wall in 15 days, how many days will 8 workers take to build a similar wall? So, like I had discussed before, whatever you have to find out, keep it on the right. So we are trying to find out the number of days 8 workers will take to build a similar wall. So 24 workers will stay on the left and I will keep 15 days on the right. Okay. So 24 workers take 15 days to build a wall. So one worker will require definitely a lot more number of days, like we have done in so many problems before. It will be 15 into 24 days, because there are only 2 hands working to build the same wall. So now 8 workers, how long will 8 workers require? Definitely less than 1 worker, because 8 into 2, 16 hands will be doing the same amount of work. So hands don't matter. I'm just trying to get you to reason how to think, where to divide, where to multiply. Hands do not matter actually while trying to calculate. So 8 workers we will find out by dividing 15 into 24 with 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. So now we have to do 15 into 3, that is 45. So 8 workers will require 45 days to build the same wall. Okay. So this is answer option B. So question number 13, answer is option B. So now let's move to another question. Let's do question number 15. Question number 15 says, in covering 111 kilometers, a car consumes 6 liters of petrol. How many kilometers will it go in 10 liters of petrol? So for understanding this kind of question, we need to know 1 liter of petrol. In 1 liter of petrol, how much will the car run, right? How much distance the car will run. So 6 liters of petrol is given to us, makes the car run for 111 kilometers. Now 1 liter of petrol will make the car run for 111 by 6, right? So we'll leave it like this. Let's not divide and try to find out the answer. If you want to do also, we can do this. 6 ones are 6, then 6 ones are 6 again. 11 minus 6 will be 5. So 51. So 6 8s are 48. So 51 minus 48 is 3. Now a decimal point will come. So 6 5s are 30. Okay. Either you divide totally on like this on the go, or you do it manually. Your wish. Okay. I did it just like that. You can do the calculation like we do. So it will be 18.5 kilometers. 1 liter of petrol will make the car run for 18.5 kilometers. Now 10 liters of petrol. For 10 liters of petrol, how much will the same car run? Definitely a lot more distance. 18.5, which is what 1 liter of petrol would make the car run, multiplied by 10. So what it will be? 185 kilometers. Let's look at the option. Which option is 185? Again, B option. So question number 15, answer is option B. Okay, let's move and solve another question.
Let's start with question number 17. Question number 16, I have purposely I'm not doing it because this question is about men and provisions. This many men will have provision for this many number of days. How long will the same provisions last for certain number of men? So that kind of questions we have done a lot. So let's move to question number 17. The question number 17 says, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:1:2. The measure of the largest angle is 30 degrees, 60 degrees. Options have been given. We have to choose the correct option. So we will find sum of ratio terms.
right? If we find the sum of ratio terms, what it will be? 3 plus 1 plus 2, right? 3 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now, which is the ratio term for the largest angle? Definitely 3. So, measure of largest angle, what it will be? It will be 3 by 6 of 180 degree. What is 180 degree? 180 degree is the sum of all the angles of a triangle, right? So, measure of largest angle will be 3 by 6. 3 is the ratio term for the largest angle and 6 is the sum of ratio terms of 180 degree will give me the measure of largest angle. So, 3 by 6 into 180, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18 and 0. So, 3 into 30 will be 90 degrees. That is the sum of the measure of the largest angle. So, option C for question number 17 is the correct answer. So, let's move to the next question. So, the question number 18 says length and breadth of a rectangular field are in the ratio 5:4. If the width of the field is 36 meters, what is its length? Now, here is the classic case of proportion. So, 5:4 is the ratio of length is to breadth. So, I can make a proportion here. I don't know the length, so let it be x, and breadth value has been given, that is 36 meters. So, from here I can do product of means is equal to product of extremes. Let me do this. 4 into x I can write like 4x, and product of extremes will be 5 into 36. Therefore, x will be equal to this 4 I have to take to this side. It is multiplied here, means the other side will go and get divided. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So, 5 into 9 is 45, 45 meters. Let's look at the option. Question number 18. Answer is option B. So, let's move to the next question. Now, let's start with question number 19. Question number 19 says, if a bus covers 195 km in 3 hours and a train covers 300 km in 4 hours, then the ratio of the speeds is, we have to choose the correct option. Now, what is the formula for speed? Speed of any living being or any vehicle is equal to distance covered by that by it in the time, okay, in the time that it takes to cover that distance. So, here we will first find speed of bus. Okay, I am writing as S bus. That will be distance that it covers is 195 and time taken to cover 195 kilometers is 3 hours. So, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 19 minus 18 is 1. So, it becomes 15, 3 5s are 15. So, speed becomes 65 kilometer per hour. This is the unit of measurement for speed if the distance is in kilometers and time taken is in hours. Similarly, we will find the speed for train. Speed of train, again distance by time. What distance does it cover? It covers 300 kilometers in 4 hours. Now 300, can I not write like this? 3 into 100. I am just trying to make the cancellation, I mean removing the common factors easier. That's why I wrote it as 3 into 100. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 into 25 is 100. So, I will simply write here 25 after cancelling 100. So, 3 multiplied by 25 is 75. Again, distance, that unit of measurement is kilometer per hour. Now, we need to find speed of bus is to speed of train. We will just remove the common factors between 65 and 75. Common factor clearly visible is 5. So 5 ones are 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 comes here, 15. So 5 threes are 15. Again here, 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. So it becomes 25. So it is 5 fives are 25. So speed of bus to speed of train is 13 is to 15. Let's look at the option A. Option A is the correct answer for question number 19. So now let's move and do another question. Let's solve question number 21. Question number 21 says, if the cost of 30 packets of 8 pencils each is rupees 600, what is the cost of 25 packets of 12 pencils each? Now there are a lot of things here, packets, pencils, cost. Don't get worried. For all this, we just need to know cost of one pencil. If I know cost of one pencil, then no matter what is the number of packets, I can easily find out the number. I mean the cost of the pencils. So let's find cost of one pencil. So cost of one pencil will be actually how much? 30 packets have got 8 pencils. The total pencils will be 30 into 8, which is 240. So if I divide the amount 600 by 240, then I can find cost of one pencil. So it is 600 divided by 30 into 8. So 8 threes are 24, and then this 0 here I will put here. So cancel out the common 0. Then what is common between 60 and 24? Common factor is 12. 12 twos are 24 and 12 fives are 60. So what is the cost of one pencil? Rupees 5 by 2, which is if you try to find in decimal, it will be rupees 2.5. This is the cost of one pencil. Now doesn't matter, 25 packets have got 12 pencils. I just need to multiply. In order to find out, I will just multiply 25 with 12 to get the exact number of pencils. Okay, total number of pencils will be this much, 25 into 12, because each packet has got 12 pencils and cost of one pencil is 2.5. So I'll multiply this to find the total cost. Now 25 into 25 if you do, because here there are two 25s, I'm not doing it. I know 25 square is 625. If you don't know, then you can multiply. Now I just need to multiply 12 with it. So if I multiply 12 with it, what it will be? 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 had got carried over, so it will be 5, and then again 2 6 are 12. I put a 0. Then 625 into 1, it will be again 625. I have to add all this up. 0 here, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 got carried over. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, and there is 6 plus 1, 7. So it will be rupees 750, and there is a decimal point here. So I have to consider this decimal point also. So it becomes rupees 750. So answer is option B. Okay, for question number 21, answer is option B. Let's start with question number 22. Question number 22 says that a rail journey of 75 kilometer costs rupees 215. How much will a journey of 120 kilometer cost? Okay, so options have been given. So I have written the given statement that cost of 75 kilometer rail journey is equal to rupees 215. Now, what is the cost of 1 kilometer rail journey? We can find that out by dividing 215 with 75, right? So, if you see carefully, we have got 5 as a factor. Let's remove that 5. 5 ones are 5 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So, here it becomes 5 5s are 25. Similarly, here 5 fours are 20 and 21 minus 20 is 1. So 15 it becomes, so 5 threes are 15. Okay, so the this thing value comes up to be something like rupees 43 by 15. Now let's leave it like this. Now for cost of 120 kilometer journey, we will multiply what is the cost of 1 kilometer. Cost of 1 kilometer is this. We'll multiply it with 120, then we will find the cost of 120 kilometer journey. Let's do that. 120 into 43 by 15. So 15 ones are 15, and then if you check 15 eights are 120, right? So let's leave it like this. Now multiply 8 with 43. 8 threes are 24. 2 gets carried over. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus plus 2. It becomes 34. So the cost of 120 kilometer journey is rupees 344. So option A is the answer for question number 22. Let's solve the next question. Next question is the last question of exercise 10D. It says that 10 boys can dig a pitch in 12 hours. Pitch means, let's say, a hole kind of a thing in 12 hours. How long will 8 boys take to do it? Okay, so options have been given. Again, we can do that. If 10 boys can dig a pitch in 12 hours, for one boy, how much time it will take? Definitely it take a lot much, lot many more hours. So 10 into 12 hours he will take. Okay, because one boy with two hands, how can he compete with 10 boys? 10 boys will finish the work faster. Now 8 boys, if there are 8 boys, they will do a little faster than one boy. So considerably faster, not even little, considerably faster they will finish the work. So here we need to divide. Think logically and you will be able to solve the question. 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. Again 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. So answer becomes 15 hours. So let's look at the option. Option B is the answer for question number 24. I hope I'm clear with all the questions that we have solved till now. If you have any doubts in the solved questions or any questions which I have not done purposefully because I find them quite easy, but you want me to solve them, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely solve them for you so that you understand everything clearly. Okay.